morning my friends, and welcome to another video. This morning I have some time to make this video, so I thought I would just walk you through my routine on how I shave my head and what I use. As before I shaved my hair first time, I was looking into finding something that's gonna be suitable for me, as I knew that I will have to shave my head from now on every week or more often. So I needed something that's gonna be easy to use and quite quick. So after some research I found this razor and I'm quite happy with it. This is not a sponsored video, so it's just something I found online. There is another razor that has very good feedback online. It is, I think, called the Freebird, but you can only get it with a membership, and I did not want to do that, as being the first time I'm getting a razor, I didn't know how I'm gonna manage and how I'm gonna like it or not. So this one is the one that I use. I prefer to do a wet shave, although you can use it both on a dry shave and on a wet shave. And also it only takes about 10 minutes to shave my whole head. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, but still. So as I was saying, I like to do a wet shave, and I usually do that in the shower in the evening. But this morning I have some time and I want to be ready for later in the day going out, so I'm gonna shave now. I do have a little rush at the back of my head. I'm not sure if it's the wig, if it's something I wore like the other day, as it's still winter, so I still am wearing some clothes that touch my neck. And after I shave my head, I usually use a rosemary essential oil that I mixed with some olive oil, just so it's not too strong and I don't want to burn my skin, or also the smell is quite strong, so I don't like that. I'm quite sensitive to strong scents. Sometimes I use in the evening castor oil as well, as I've read is quite good. I mean, I cannot say that it's helped me regrow my hair, so I'll just use it to moisturize my scalp and my skin. So yeah, that's it. That's my choice. This is what I usually use in my routine to shave my head. So I've done my shower after the dry shave. Feels good. As I was saying earlier, I do have a rush at the back here. Don't know if it's visible now, but I have my roll of the essential oil and olive oil, and I'm just gonna roll it on. Okay, that's it. That's my routine of shaving my head, which is pretty quick with the, this razor. And I apply my moisturizer, and that's it. If it's cold, I put a beanie on. If it's nice and sunny like now, I will just hang out like this. And yeah, sometimes I just do this in the morning, and I even put my wig on. The oil is already in, and I'm not concerned that it will get my wig all greasy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. See you next time.